Hi and welcome to a series of BuildForge installation videos. One of the prerequisites to installing BuildForge is to have a database management system as a backend, be it Oracle, DB2 or SQL Server. In this video, I'm going to go through the steps to install Oracle 12c for Windows. To begin with, we need to download the actual Oracle database software. For this, I go to the Oracle Technology Network, and if I navigate to the site and search for Oracle 12c, I'll come to the download section. And over here you accept the license agreement that's typically here, and then you download the file for your operating system. In the interest of time, I've downloaded this already, and I have also unzipped it. And after unzipping, what you'll see is these files and folders. At this point, all we need to do is right click on the setup and run as administrator. And what this does, it starts the Oracle Universal Installer. And when the installer begins, you just run through the steps and provide the details as per your policy and setup. For this purpose, because this is on a virtual machine and it's a test, I'm pretty much gonna not include any of the security information and all that stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and uncheck this and just provide a bogus email here and click next. And I want to create and also configure the database, so I'll select this option. And for my purpose, I'll select the desktop class. Now with Oracle 12c, they gave you the option of selecting what type of account you want to use for starting the Oracle services. You can go ahead and select any one of these options. I'm going to just go and stick with the built-in account, which is same as what Oracle 11g used to provide. Click next. And this one just gives you a warning, and I'll say yes, I want to continue. And here you specify where you want to perform the installation. And I'm going to create an Oracle folder on my computer. Select that. And one thing to note is the character set. This is actually a requirement for BuildForge, so that's good. And I'll leave the Oracle SID or Oracle database name as the default and provide a password here. And I'm not interested in the container database, so I'll uncheck that, click next. Now this will go away and perform some prerequisite checks. And once that completes, it just gives you an overview or summary. And I'll click install. And here you can watch the different components of the Oracle installer going through. And after going through all the different component setups, Oracle has finally finished installing. Don't forget to watch the next in the series, where I'll show you how to set up a database for BuildForge. Thank you for watching.